take these guys' booties off.
All right, Josh Robbins in. Look at that scene right there. All right, we got booties coming off. Hi, guys. Yeah.
Right now, they came in feeling really good. They look good. Yeah.
All right, Josh is talking to the vet crew about his dog. So I looked, he said it looked real good coming in. Getting the booties off. Walking through the lead dogs, giving some names.
Good.
Oh, look at you guys.
Is that Kale?
Yeah, brother, how are you?
Dude, how are you?
How was the run?
Oh, man. It was great, actually. Perfect weather.
Yeah, it was a pretty nice sunset, eh?
Yeah, oh, man, that mountain was beautiful. Totally exposed.
Yeah. Just as Nick came in, the mountain was getting shrouded in some overflow fog, actually. There was like this little bank of fog here, but it's gorgeous.
Well, I'm glad you're here. What's the current temps right now?
It was about minus, just shy of -0, it was just below that when I got here, and then, of course, it's gorgeous. I think the northern lights are starting to pop out. The chili's hot and good.
Chili's hot and good?
Yeah, over at the checkpoint there. Look at these guys.
Thank God for the trail crew. These guys did an amazing job. I mean, it was awesome coming in. Marked exceptionally well.
Good. Trail markers.
Yeah, hard surface. It was just good. I mean, it was good running.
Nice.
So, big shout out to the trail crew.
Yeah, trail crew, Ben, and everybody did a bang-up job so far. We like to hear that. It's hard keeping a trail in good shape when it's all different conditions. We've had 2 snow events this week, 3 to 5 inches. Oh boy, yeah, does that feel good? Oh boy, it's gonna be straw next, didn't it, kiddos? Everybody's gonna get their straw. Yeah. Gonna get their straw. Vet checks and straw.
Point out your favorite one. Which was the cutest?
Oh, but these guys?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, they're all perfect. I want them all to go home and stay at the dog center. Which one you use the most cutest though? You're pretty cute.
Double time wins out the awards. He's got the classic one up, one down look.
Oh.
This guy right here. He's actually was posted on a bunch of different posters.
Oh, really? He's got that kind of iconic, like.
Yeah, and the Schultz's faces if I did it wrong.
Oh, really? He made it in there?
Yeah, and then they used his on like.
Oh, nice. Poster dogs here, folks. Poster dogs. Centerfolds. Okay, that's the last of the booty, so let's see what Josh does next. Is he going to go to straw, or is he going to go to other stuff next? Lots of heart rate checking and lung listening from the vet crew. As they work hard just to make sure that they keep an eye on every dog. Maybe Dad's got an island. Alright, the headlamp party moving all around here. They're doing a little coordination up there, and then hi, I feel a little sweet angel at my feet. Hi. Yeah, you smell my leg?
You're not supposed to be running around.
Hey.
Snack.
Another snack.
Snacks and straw. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh boy. Big old snack. Look at that big slice of yummies.
Oh, look at that.
Big fish slice. Big, huge, frozen cold, delicious treat. Grilled fats and everything. Remember, you want the salmon.
Just ready piranhas.
You want the mouth of the river. It's got all that good fat in it. Oil. Oh gosh, is that good? Is that a good treat? Oh, you just steal his treat? No, hello. Goodness gracious, you better be faster. Yeah, that's right. You better be faster. Oh, we got your arm all. Yeah, there you go. Help him a little bit. There you go. Sometimes dogs like to act a little pathetic too. Just to get a little help. They like to. Sometimes. Alright, little coaching there, little steps, next steps discussion here. What a great little crew. We're all really proud of Josh. Our neighbor and veteran, served his country overseas and is serving his fellow veterans at home here with his Outreach 22 suicide prevention. 22 U.S. veterans commit suicide every day, tragically, in the United States. That's the average. A lot of folks do 22 push-ups a day or some sort of commemorative. And oh, look at that! We got a little cooler snack going on here. We got a cooler snack. We got super secret shit happening over here.
Yeah, it's
super secret food. Yummies happening here, people. What was all that?
Some people use H2O, we use H3O.
We do keep this an adult and family-friendly feed here. We don't like to use the curse words, but now and then. That was some super secret stuff there. Look at all the snow crystals. He's making the dinner, and then he's gonna run and get the straw because it's always a jumble. What do you do first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth? So it's like you want a really good meal for the dogs, but you got to get the booties off, and you got to get the snack, and you got to get the straw, and you get all this stuff. And that's why these qualifiers are really important. So in real time, mushers can go through all their steps. We got to get their gear in the right spot. Keep it organized, keep it tight. And here we go. We got coats, we got straw, we got good things happening here. And there's the little sled compartment that holds all the coats. Look at how tight that was. They're all in the same little spot. So now we got a combination of straw and coats coming out. Okay, and then we got to keep an eye on two things. We have to keep an eye on where the Beringtons are and where the Northern Lights are. Two more teams coming in here. We got the Northern Lights. So I'm gonna guess they're coming up here real soon, right? Like those lights over there?
How can you
Okay.
tell them apart? Everybody wants to know.
Yeah, the twins or the lights? Their headlights are different. Just kidding.